Obsidian magma rift typography effect. Create a dramatic obsidian magma rift effect in PLAB with a dark, premium cinematic appearance. Begin with a deep black textured background and subtle smoky atmosfeer. Is a bold, Java typography aangefitte letters a hard, glossy obsidian surface with a sharp metallic reflections. Add glowing orange red cracks across the tape, making the magma appear to flow from deep inside the letters. Build the effect using layer tape, inner glow, shadow, stroke, blur, and carefully adjusted transparency. Plate brugget elevate hegligits along the hottest cracks, with a darker red-orange edges for realistic depth. Add floating sparks, tiny embers, smoke, and started volcanic particles